In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on DHgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal so your inbox stays tidy and focused. First, open your browser, go to DHgate.com, and sign into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access your inbox. Give the page a second to load fully so every menu option appears. Next, head to the top menu and click Messages. This is where all your buyer-seller conversations live. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and think about whether you still need any order details, tracking notes, or receipts from a conversation before removing it. If a thread contains useful information you might reference later, consider saving that information outside of your inbox before you continue. Now, in your Messages view, locate the conversation you want to delete. Scan through your list until you find the thread you no longer need. Double-check the sender and the most recent message preview so you're confident you have the right conversation. When you found it, look for the small checkbox next to that conversation and click it. Selecting the checkbox tells the system which thread you intend to remove. Take a second to make sure you didn't accidentally select the wrong one, especially if multiple conversations look similar. With the conversation selected, click Delete. This is usually represented by a trash can icon. If you don't see the option, make sure at least one checkbox is selected. The delete button typically activates only after a selection is made. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental removals. Read the prompt, and if you're sure you no longer need that conversation in your inbox, go ahead and confirm. Once you do, the thread will be removed from your messages list. Keep in mind that deletions are generally final for your account view, so it's wise to verify you won't need the information later. If your layout looks slightly different, the basic flow is the same. Sign in, open messages, select the conversation with the checkbox, click the trash icon, and confirm. On some screens, labels may vary, but the icons and positions usually make the action clear. That's all there is to it. You've cleaned up your DHgate inbox by deleting a conversation you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your messages, feel free to repeat the same process anytime your inbox starts to feel crowded.